kum chimta ban le brom ya ka jingwan tem U Bryan Adams ha Shillong kapan Shillong la shai kasngi ha je stadium mi kan san ki kyrtieng jong menta gamet ha suin lang ba ki lat ba pau ba ki penher da udrun kane kan long kum ka dak man pnyang sa ba ya ba wan hiar hanong ba Shillong.
Oh my god. Never before eh?
Yep.
Bryan Adams, shut cry! Bryan Adams, Shillong. Oh, kilauan buo siya bilang day. Ani. Apa ni yung buka mel? Hoy Ken, tatingin na do.
Nah surak nang wan try mentan pen.
Really?
Nah supak kulai kayu. Nah subo bibot ka skuti ngali kiyo sa teres.
This thing. Are you privileged like us? Look at the skies, lit with drones. Near the stadium, I don't really know if you can see the stadium. Jrong hai, jrong hai. So sad, eh? So sad, eh? They're writing Bryan Adams in the sky. And then they wrote the King of Good Times, and now they're writing. What are they writing right now? Some days, I don't see the days. Shall I do a video call? Hang on, I'll do a video call.
These are the best days of our lives.
These are the days of our life. Change it to something else. Wait there. Why not? Why wouldn't I be? It was a big part of growing up. Ay, kita ingat kerumbu. Ada tiap binoculars, batak, binoculars, kerumbu. Alright. Tuh, ya baik. Ini kita. Kita sponsor ni kita. Det vi måtte ikke sponsor i sigte. Hva er det? Kingfisher. Check it out, baby! Check it out! Check the Shillong skies! Check out the Shillong skies! Compare with us! Look at that! This is Shillong skies, baby. sad for you. But you eat Shillong, so excited.